Hey everybody, welcome back to Crafting Made Easy, and it's time for another video of Does It Work? So I was scrolling through Facebook because there's nothing else to do on the weekends these days. And I saw this video of someone using Saran wrap, a shirt, and an image, and they put it on the image. So I wanted to know, does it really work? So that is what we're going to do today. So what you will need is an image, a shirt, plastic wrap, an iron, because the person in the video used an iron, or a heat press, or a easy press. So I will be using, of course, my easy press, and let's go. All right, so first, this is just a image that I printed from my regular printer, regular ink. So this is regular copy paper, regular ink, and from my inkjet Canon printer. So I'm going to cut off these little lines on the side. I made this image of my cat through a app on called, I have a Samsung Note 10 Plus, and the app was called Comica, C-O-M-I-C-A. So I just uploaded a picture of my cat in there, and you can kind of change the filter on it to make it look like a cartoon. So that's what I did, and I like this one. So I decided to print this one out, and I didn't make it any bigger because I printed it from my phone, so I wasn't able to make it any bigger or any larger or anything like that. So I'll be using a youth shirt because the picture is not very big, and again, I just want to kind of practice and see if this actually works. So let's take this off of here. So in the video, and this is just a regular Gildan 100% cotton shirt. That's all this is. So I'm just going to tear, it says tear away, so I'm just going to tear that away. Tags are annoying at times, so we're going to do that. And in the video, they just took this, the plastic wrap, regular plastic wrap. You see, I got it from Walmart a long time ago. I don't even remember when, because we rarely use plastic wrap. I mostly use plastic wrap for crafts versus using it in the kitchen. You just kind of wrap the plastic wrap. You know what, actually I'm going to put the folded part, and just put this. Oh, you know what? I probably should have mirrored it, but so it'll probably come out backwards. But I don't know. Let's because I don't think in the video they mirrored it. So I just printed it out just the way the person had it in the video. Wrap the picture in some Saran wrap. That's my heat press telling me it is ready, right on time. So all I did was wrap the image in plastic wrap. I'm going to get set up with my heat press. 1 second. All right, so I have my heat press. I'm just going to get some of the wrinkles out. So I don't want any wrinkles in the shirt. And I don't know how high they had the because in the video the person just used a regular iron. So I'm going to put it all the way up to 400 to see how it will do. And all I did was just get the wrinkles out. And I have my mat for my big heat press under here versus the small mat that comes with the Cricut Easy Press. Okay, so we're just waiting for the Easy Press to heat up. And while I'm waiting, I just want to tell you, if you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button, hit the subscribe button if you're not already subscribed to my channel, and go ahead and hit the notification bell to be notified for when I drop new videos. And thank you for the new subscribers. My channel is slowly growing, and I really appreciate the people who have already subscribed. I'm trying to get better at uploading videos to this channel. I do it to my regular channel, which is Life with Lolo. The E is a 3. Where I do kind of reviews on TV shows, movies, and kind of just chat here and there. So let me just... So if you're interested in that kind of stuff, you can check out that channel. But over here, I'm just, you know, slowly growing my craft channel. I will just kind of post stuff and help out. See, my Easy Press, I don't know if anyone else's does this, but it'll heat up to the temperature that I want. And then when I go to use it, it'll drop down like 10 or 20 degrees. I don't know if something is wrong with my Easy Press or if that is how it's supposed to happen, but that's very annoying. Anyway, all right, so I'll just put it right there. And I'm just kind of eyeballing. Because again, I'm just kind of practicing just to kind of see if this works. So it's not really going anywhere. And it's a youth shirt and no one in my house wears small shirts. So the image is in plastic wrap. It is on the shirt, just in the middle. And I'm putting a Teflon sheet over top of it so it doesn't, the plastic wrap does not melt on my Easy Press. I'm going to put it on for 60 seconds. We'll see what that does. If I can, there we go. All right, so let's see. Oops. All right, so let's go. So I'm just putting some pressure on it. 60 seconds. As you see, it's counting down, but I will not have y'all waiting for 60 seconds. I will come back. All right, so 2 seconds. All right, so I'm going to lift it up. I'm going to see what happens. What? Oh, wow. Look at that, y'all. All right, so the plastic wrap is gone, and the image... Oh, so I should have just cut that, some of the white off. Yeah, I should have cut the white off some more. I don't know, for some, I'm so used to sublimating and the white just disappears. I didn't cut the white off of the shirt. But look, it's like in the shirt. Okay, let me move this out. Okay, well, matter of fact, and nothing stuck to my Teflon sheet. Matter of fact, I'm just going to do this. One more time, just to kind of go over it. I always do that with my vinyl shirts. Alright, so it's glossy. Look at that. It's glossy. It feels like it's thick. It is thick, so it doesn't quite... It's kind of hot, so I'm trying not to bother it too much. But look, it's stuck on the shirt. You see, it's not coming off the shirt or anything like that. So it looks like the plastic wrap melted, and with the plastic wrap melting into the shirt, it melted the picture onto the shirt. So it kind of feels like not heat transfer. What is it? The stuff you use for print and cut. Oh, I can't think of it. It's not heat transfer. Yeah, heat transfer vinyl. Yes, that's what it is. Heat transfer vinyl. Like the print and cut stuff that you would use on here. Like the, let me see if I have some handy. Of course I can't find it when I'm recording. I just unpacked some not too long ago. Okay. Here we go. There we go. It kind of feels like this type of material, but it's thicker. So I think that's the premise of what this is supposed to be like. But as you see, it's not coming up off the shirt at all. Just like right there in the corner. But other than that, it is like really stuck on the shirt. I'm going to let this rest for 24 hours. And then I'm going to wash it. And then we'll see if it holds up. But Saran wrap in a plain picture that you print off of your regular printer does work. It does adhere to your shirt. It is kind of patchy, so if you like that kind of feel on your shirt, because if you hear it, if you like that kind of feel on your shirt, I mean, hey, go for it. But like I said, I will, in 24 hours, I will let this sit on here for about 24 hours, and then I'm going to wash it, and then we're going to see if it holds up in the wash. So stay tuned for that video in about a couple days. If you like this video, again, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to be notified when I drop new videos. Okay, everyone, until next time, peace.